room at the French Quarters. We have a small little table right here with a little bench. This is our view right outside the window. Of course, we have the 2-bed configuration. As you can see, the lights above the bed. Nice ceiling fan, of course, TV right in the middle. What I like is all the drawers that we have. Plenty of drawers. Plenty of drawers. And of course, a beverage cooler. Right? Not a refrigerator, but a cooler, of course. The beverage cooler. Oh, which way? I'll figure it out. There you go. Right here. It's a little small, but we'll make do. And of course, like I said, more drawers. A lot of space. Very spacious. And a more modern AC unit. So lots of drawers with a cooler. We have the beds with the reading lights right there, and they're actually, if you look, they're in each corner right there. So pretty cool. Of course, you have the pad in the middle. It will help you with a lot of things. Nice pictures, actually. Nice pictures. Of course, a really cool feature is the doors right here. As you could tell, they're like barn doors. And I love that Disney has been doing this with a lot of their rooms. And good size shower right here. Of course, it comes complete with shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Right. Of course, your standard toilet and everything. 2 sinks. Of course, it comes with other amenities as well as a ironing board, your hair dryer, your iron, and lots of hangers, and of course the safe right up here. And hi, how you doing? So yeah, that's our room tour for the French Quarter, and we also have the hanger right here for jackets or whatever else we're going to be hanging. So hopefully you enjoy that tour, and we'll see you later.